Magandang umaga, magandang tanghali o magandang gabi, anumang oras yung napanood ang video ito. Welcome sa ating YouTube channel, Matuto Dapat sapagkat ang kaalaman ay isang mahalagang kayamanan. At maraming salamat din sa mga subscriber natin at sa mga bagong subscriber, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe o sa mga bagong nakapanood ng video ito. Okay. So, ngayong araw ay atin pong pag-aralan is the area and circumference of a circle. A circle is a shape made up of all points in a plane that are spaced apart from the center by a specific amount. The radius is the length of the circle from any point to the center. The diameter is the length of a line segment that passes through the center of the circle and connects two locations. A disk is a section of the plane that is bounded by a circle. So we have here an example of a circle. So yung bilog, yung kulay itim, that is our circumference. Okay, the kulay blue, the diameter of the circle, and from the center O, okay, yung ating O is yung ating center of the circle. So yung kulay red to any point of the disc is what we call the radius. So ang radius is R and the formula is D over 2 o ang D natin is the diameter. So yung diameter divided by 2, that is the radius. Circumference C, yung pinaka rotation natin, yung kulay black. Okay, C is equals to 2 pi R or equals pi D since 2R is a radius, no? So 2 times radius is a diameter. Okay. The area of the square is pi R squared or equals to pi D squared over 4 kapag ang given natin ay diameter. Now, in this case, we use the value of the pi, 3.1416. Example 1. While her companion, Gina, is riding a donkey 2 meters apart from the same center point, Lorna is mounted on a horse that is fastened to a pole with a 4.5 meter length of the rope. After they have each completed 30 rotations around the center, determine the distance that each has traveled. So you have yung circle natin, meron tayong drawing on the right side. The point P is the center, yung pole natin. Tapos si Gina, sumakay ng donkey, 2 meter po yung haba ng kanyang lubid, no? Siguro nang nakatali sa donkey andun sa pole. Then, yung horse naman na sinakyan ni Lorna ay 4.5 meters. Yun po yung kanyang layo, no? So, 30 rotations ang kanilang pag-ikot. Okay? So, unahin natin si Lorna. Ang radius ay 4.5 meter, rotations ay 30. So, the circumference is 2 pi r. So, you have 2 times 3.1416 times 4.5. Then, you have 28.27 meter. Yun po yung ating circumference. Since she completed 30 rotations, so 30 times 28.27, so a total of 848.10 meters. Yun po yung total distance traveled by Lorna. Si Gina naman, ang kanyang radius is 2 meters, ang rotations ay 30. Tapos, circumference 2 pi r, and that is 2 times 3.1416 times 2, and that is 12.57 meters. Yun po yung circumference ng one pole rotation. So, since she completed 30 rotations, so 30 times 12.57, and that is equal to 377.10 meters. So, that is the total distance traveled by Gina. Example 2, we have the same problem, but in this case, they are completed one pole rotation around the center. Determine the area that each have covered. So, gaano ba ka lawak yung area na nung pag-ikot nila doon sa pole, no? So, si Lorna, 4.5 meters ang radius. So, find the area. Area equals pi r squared. So 3.1416 times 4.5 square, and that is equal to 63.62 meters square. So ang ginagawa po natin, 4.5 times 4.5, and ang sagot noon, which is 20.25, i-multiply po natin sa 3.1416. So the total area covered by Lorna is 63.62 meters squared. Kay Gina naman, ang radius niya ay 2 meters. So area is pi r squared. So that is 3.1416 times 2 squared, or that is 2 times 2 is 4. So 12.57 meters squared. So the total area covered by Gina. So 12.57 meters squared. Example 3. There are 8 lamps in a 350-meter radius circular park, each of which bases is a circle with a diameter of 1 meter. So, mayroong park, no? People's Park siguro yan. Tapos mayroong 8 ilawan doon. Tapos yung base ng ilawan ay 1 meter po yung diameter. And this park is 350 meter ang radius. So, determine the area of the lawn. So, everywhere in the park is grass. So damo yon. Tapos, maliban doon sa may poste ng ilaw. Okay? So, hinahanap natin ang area ng lawn. So, makita po natin, dyan po sa ating right side, nakita po natin na circular yung park, tapos mayroong 350 meter radius, tapos mayroong 8 pong bilog na maliit, na yun po yung circular na base ng lamp. No? Okay? So, ang given radius ay 350 meters. So, ang area natin is 3.1416 times 350 times 350. So, that is 384,846 meters squared. Okay? So, ang total area ng circular park is 384,846 meters squared. Tapos, yung given diameter ng lamp base is 1 meter. So, ang area noon ay area equals pi times d squared over 4, and that is 3.1416 times 1 squared over 4. So 0.7854 meters squared. So kinuha lang po natin lahat ng decimal places. Since there are 8 lamps, so 8 times 0.7854, and that is 6.28 meters squared. So i-minus po yan natin doon sa given. Doon sa una, doon sa total area ng circular park. So the area of the lawn is 384,846 minus 6.28. So na meron tayo 384,839.72 meters squared. So yun po yung area ng lawn, no? Yung may damo, no? Example number 4. What is the radius and the circumference of the motorcycle wheel if the total area is 3,848.46 square centimeter? Okay? O centimeter squared. So, ang area ay 3,848.46 centimeter squared. So, ito po ang formula ng area, and we have to derive to find the radius. And the radius is equal to the square root of area divided by pi. So, ang square root of area, 3,848.46 divided by 3.1416, and that is 1,225. So, square root ng 1,225 ay 35. So, 35 cm, yun po yung radius of the wheel. Okay, radius of the wheel of this motorcycle. So, yung radius ng wheel ay 35 cm. Then, multiply po natin 2 times, to find the circumference, 2 pi r. So, 2 times 3.1416 times 35, and that is 219.91 cm. So, the circumference of the wheel is 219.91 cm. Alright, this is your activity to answer. Read it carefully para masagutan po niyo ng tama. Ang gagawin po ay ang gagawin ninyo ay i-drawing yung circle. Drawing yung circle para maintindihan nyo maigi yung pagkuha ng problem. Okay, so yun lang. So marami pong salamat sa inyong panonood. I hope you learned from this video. And if you like this video, please share to your friends who has mathematics subject o sa mga nag-aaral ng engineering. Thank you very much. God bless you.